Chapter 4. Articles. Let's warm up, initiative and self-direction. Color the cloud that contains the correct article for these nouns. The sun, an orange, an umbrella, a caterpillar, an elf, a kitten, the kite. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. It is a satellite of Earth. An octopus has 8 legs. The kite is red. What do you observe? Let's learn conceptual learning. In the sentences given on previous page, colored words are indicating the arrival of articles. The words a, an, and they are special adjectives called articles. The article is an adjective because, like an adjective, an article also modifies a noun. The only difference is that an adjective describes a noun and an article points out a noun. Articles are of 2 types, indefinite and definite. Indefinite article. A and an are indefinite articles. We use these articles when we talk about singular nouns. A is used before the nouns that begin with a consonant sound. For example, A. I took a bus to Delhi. B. She wants to buy a doll. C. He will have a cup of coffee. An is used before the nouns that begin with a vowel sound. For example, A. Did you bring an umbrella? B. My brother eats an apple daily. C. I am an English teacher. There are some words that begin with a vowel when spelt but have a consonant sound when spoken out. So, we use A before such words. For example, A. I have to wear a uniform tomorrow. B. She bought a used car. There are some words that begin with a consonant when spelt but have a vowel sound when spoken out. So, we use an before such words. For example, A. My father is an honest man. B. He will come back in an hour. Definite article. The is a definite article. We use the to specify a particular noun and before the names of rivers, oceans, seas, monuments, buildings, geographical points, holy books, newspapers, islands, mountains, and any natural object that is one of its kind. It is also used before the superlative degree of adjectives. For example, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. B. The sun is a hot star. C. The equator divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. D. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. E. Maria won the silver medal at the Beijing Games. F. Nobody lives on the moon. Indefinite articles are also used before nouns when we talk about them after having mentioned them earlier. When we talk about these nouns subsequently, we use the definite article the before them. For example, A. I have an aquarium at home. The aquarium is made of glass. B. I have a cat. The cat is black in color. C. This is a very interesting book, but the book is very heavy. Omission of the. We do not use definite article the before the following. Name of people. A. My name is Johnny. B. I met Tara today. Meals or time. A. We left for lunch at 1 p.m. B. I have already eaten my dinner. Languages. A. I can speak Hindi, English, and Urdu. B. I am learning French. Sports or any physical activity. A. I like to play badminton. B. My father enjoys football match. Literacy skills. Let's read. Fill in blanks with A in order to complete the story. Now, read it aloud. The ant and the grasshopper. In the field, one summer's day, grasshopper was hopping about, chirping and singing to its heart's content, and passed by, bearing along with great difficulty ear of corn that he was taking to the nest. Why not come and chat with me? Said the grasshopper, instead of moving here and there. I am helping to store food for the winter, said Ant, and suggest that you do the same. Why bother about winter? Said the grasshopper. We have got plenty of food at present. But an ant went on its way and continued its work. When winter came, the grasshopper had no food and found itself dying of hunger, while it saw ants eating grain from the store they had collected in summer. Then, the grasshopper learned that it is wise to prepare for the future.